Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the easiest fruit trees you can grow right in your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these 6 trees are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up, the apple tree. These classics are not just for the pros. With varieties like Honeycrisp and Gala, you'll have fresh apples right from your garden. Plus, they're low maintenance and can thrive in almost any climate. To grow an apple tree, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Plant your tree in the spring or fall and water it regularly, especially in the first year. Prune annually to encourage healthy growth and fruit production. Next, we have the peach tree. Sweet, juicy peaches are a summer favorite. They love sunny spots and well-drained soil, and the best part, they're pretty fast growers, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy your first harvest. For peach trees, plant them in a location with full sun and good air circulation. Water deeply but infrequently, and mulch around the base to retain moisture. Prune in late winter to remove dead or diseased branches. Third on the list is the plum tree. Plums are super versatile, great for eating fresh or making jams. They're hardy and can handle a bit of neglect, making them perfect for busy folks. To grow a plum tree, select a site with full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly, especially during dry periods. Prune in late winter or early spring to maintain shape and remove any damaged branches. Now let's talk about pear trees. They're easy to grow and quite resistant to pests. Look for varieties like Bartlett or Bosc, and you'll be munching on crisp, delicious pears in no time. For pear trees, plant them in a sunny location with well-drained soil. Water young trees regularly and mulch to conserve moisture. Prune annually to remove dead wood and encourage new growth. Fifth, the cherry tree. These beauties not only give you delicious cherries but also add a splash of color to your yard. They do well in cooler climates and are fairly low maintenance. To grow a cherry tree, choose a site with full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Prune in late winter to maintain shape and remove any dead or diseased branches. Last but not least, the fig tree. Figs are incredibly rewarding to grow. They need a bit of warmth, but they're super forgiving and can even be grown in containers. For fig trees, plant them in a sunny, sheltered spot. Water regularly, especially during dry periods. If growing in a container, use a high-quality potting mix and ensure good drainage. So there you have it, 6 fruit trees that are too easy to grow. Get planting and enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY gardening tips. Happy gardening!